Early physiotherapy rehabilitation after lower segment caesarean section delivery. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Lower segment caesarean section, LSCS, is one of the common modes of delivery carried out nowadays to prevent complications during a normal delivery. It is a life-saving surgery for the mother and the child. LSCS is a surgical procedure wherein the abdominal wall and the uterus are incised to deliver the child. The recovery of a patient after LSCS is difficult and slow compared to that of a normal delivery due to mobility restrictions due by the scar and the incision. The functional capacity of the patient also gets limited due to incisional pain. Physiotherapy is a useful tool to hasten and enhance the recovery of such patients. Generalized physiotherapy protocols for patients after LSCS are available in the literature. However, there is a lack of evidence of personalized protocols to date. Hence, this chapter aims to explain how to form a personalized early physiotherapeutic rehabilitation for LSCS patients. A lower segment caesarean section, LSCS, is one of the most common surgical procedures used to safely deliver a baby when a normal vaginal birth might pose risks to the mother or baby. It involves making a horizontal cut in the lower abdomen and uterus to deliver the baby. This type of incision, often called the phalansteal incision, is preferred because it heals well and leaves a less visible scar. In emergencies, a vertical incision may be used, but this is less common. The number of caesarean deliveries has increased significantly in recent years. While some women request this method to avoid labor pain or possible complications from vaginal delivery, medical experts and the World Health Organization advise that C-sections should only be done when truly necessary. During the surgery, spinal anesthesia is usually used so the mother stays awake without feeling pain. The area is cleaned with antiseptic, and a catheter is inserted to empty the bladder. A 15 cm incision is made, and once the baby is delivered, the cuts are carefully stitched. The entire procedure typically takes 45 minutes to an hour. LSCS is considered safe and effective for both mother and baby when performed for the right reasons. This chapter concludes that an early physiotherapeutic rehabilitation protocol personalized according to the needs of the patient is helpful in the early recovery of mothers who have undergone a lower segment caesarean section delivery. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.